Oh no, I cannot find the bus stop.
Are you lost? The road is confusing.
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I feel totally lost.
Hello, Tom. Where are you going today?
I must reach the city hospital quickly.
Do not worry. We will find it.
My phone map is not working.
Maybe your internet signal is weak here.
I walked 3 blocks already.
The bus stop moved last month.
What? No wonder I cannot see it.
Many people were confused at first.
Should I walk back again now?
No, it is farther that way.
I am afraid I will be late.
Look, there is a new signboard.
Oh, I missed that completely.
Come, let us cross carefully together.
Thanks for helping me stay calm.
The stop is beside that coffee shop.
Great, I see people waiting there.
Let me check the bus time quickly.
Perfect, the bus comes in 5 minutes.
You made it just in time.
I really appreciate your help today.
Next time, check route updates online.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Oh no, the bus is late again.
What? I will miss my office meeting.
Good morning, Sarah. You look very worried.
Morning, Tom. Yes, I am really stressed today.
Do you usually take this bus?
Every day. It is never this late.
Maybe traffic is very bad today.
My boss is strict. I cannot arrive late.
Did you check the bus app already?
Yes, it says delayed 30 minutes now.
30 minutes? That is too long.
I should have left home earlier.
Look, many people are waiting here.
I feel nervous just standing here.
Maybe we can find another bus route.
I do not know other routes well.
Wait, I see a taxi coming slowly.
Taxis are expensive during busy mornings.
We can share it and split money.
That sounds better than being late.
Taxi, please stop here for us.
Thank you, Tom. You saved my morning.
No problem. Teamwork makes travel easier.
Next time, I will plan earlier.
Great idea. Always keep a backup plan.
We are moving now. I feel relaxed.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, someone is sitting in my seat.
Oh no, this ticket says seat 12.
Hello, excuse me. I think this is mine.
Really? Let me check my ticket again.
Maybe we both made a mistake.
Yes, trains are confusing sometimes.
My ticket clearly shows car B.
Mine also says car B, seat 12.
That is strange. 2 same seats?
Did you travel today or change trains?
I changed trains at Central Station.
Maybe the staff printed it wrong.
The train is getting full now.
Yes, people are watching us awkwardly.
I do not want to stand long.
Me neither. My bag is heavy.
Should we call the ticket officer?
Good idea. Problems need quick help.
Officer is coming this way now.
Perfect timing. Let us ask politely.
Officer says my train is tomorrow.
Oh wow, you came 1 day early.
I read the date wrong, silly me.
No worries, there is empty seat 13.
Thank you for helping me calmly.
Travel mistakes happen. Stay relaxed.
Today I learned to check dates twice.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Oh no, the train just left.
Wait, did it leave already?
Hi, Tom. I ran but failed.
Hello, Sarah. You look very upset.
I needed that train for work.
Do not worry. Let us think calmly.
The next train is 1 hour later.
That is a long time to wait.
My manager hates late arrivals.
Did you set an alarm today?
Yes, but traffic was terrible.
Mornings can be very unpredictable sometimes.
Now my whole schedule feels broken.
Maybe there is an express train soon?
I checked the board twice already.
What about a fast taxi instead?
It might cost too much money.
Missing work could cost more.
You are right. I feel confused.
Look, a taxi stand is open there.
Let me call my manager quickly.
Good idea. Tell her you tried.
She said come safely, not rush.
Great. Let us share a taxi now.
Thank you, Tom. That helps a lot.
Next time, leave home 10 minutes earlier.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
This road looks completely unfamiliar.
Wait, this is not the hospital route.
Hi, Tom. Are we going wrong?
Hello, Sarah. I think the driver missed it.
I told him Central Hospital clearly.
Maybe he heard something different.
My appointment starts in 15 minutes.
Let me check the map quickly.
Please do. I feel very worried.
Yes, we are moving opposite direction.
Oh no, what should we do now?
Stay calm. We can fix this fast.
Should we talk to the driver?
Yes, polite words work best.
Excuse me, driver. This seems wrong.
Sir, Central Hospital is the other side.
He says traffic blocked the main road.
Ask if there is a shortcut.
He knows a faster street nearby.
Great. Please take that road now.
Look, the hospital sign is ahead.
Perfect. We still have 5 minutes.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
Problems are easier when we cooperate.
Next time, I will share location early.
Smart plan. Always confirm the route first.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.